Alright guys, so we all know that red push buttons gain up to 10 horsepower, but some Honda owners have reported gains of up to 20 to 30 horsepower at the wheels. So without further waiting, let's get right into this. So there's two little spots that you're going to want to stick a screwdriver in at the top center and bottom center. You just kind of will be able to pry out the button just like so. And it comes off like so. Now the only step to do now will be to actually put the red button in. Now when I ordered this, the picture looked like it came with the ring, a red ring to go with it. It didn't. So unfortunately I'll just be reusing the black one that's kind of cracked. The button looks like it can only go in the proper orientation, so there's no worrying about that. And it looks like we're in good. Alright guys, well I think that my 335i probably just gained about 10 horsepower at the wheels. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and lay out the joke, but if you found this informative, if you think that this red button just looks so much better than the black one did, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.